Hello students, good morning. Students, just you have completed your practice test and now you are prepared for the unit test. But as per Principal Ma'am's instruction, we have to start the syllabus for the half yearly. We have already completed one chapter, that is chapter 7, the climate of India. Now we have to start chapter 8. We will start chapter 8, that is kinds of soil. Students, I have shared one video on it, like we used to show you smart class, okay, before we start the chapter. Like that I have shared one video on this chapter, that is soils, okay, kinds of soils. That is important and you have to watch that. You will get full knowledge about this chapter, and so it is very important to watch this video. Okay, now students, soil is an important layer of Earth's outermost layer, okay, outermost layer, that is known as crust. So what I said, soil is an important layer of Earth's outermost layer known as crust. It is the mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, water, air, and other organisms. Okay, so it is acre for vegetation. It is acre for vegetations. It is the key of the food cycle on the earth. And the properties of the soil is depend upon the types of the parents materials, okay, the types of the parents material. So students, let us read about how the soil is formed. Let us read about how the soil is formed. So that is given good in your book. Just see that soil formation take place when many things interact, such as air, water, plant life, animal life, rocks, and chemicals. Okay, the formation of soil happens over a very long period of time. It can take 1,000 years or more. Soil is formed from the weathering of rocks, that is weathering of rocks due to erosions, and weathering of rocks and minerals. The surface rocks break down into smaller pieces through a process of weathering, and is then mixed with the mass and organic matters. What are organic matters? The residues from the animals and the plants, that is organic matters. Inorganic things are soil, then you say water, rocks, all these are inorganic. And organic, that means the things from the plants and animals. So then it is mixed with the moss and organic matter. What is mixed? The smaller pieces of the rocks. The smaller pieces of the rocks through a process of weathering, and is then mixed with moss and organic matter. Okay, over the period of time, this creates a thin layer of soil. So students, soil is a thin layer of material on the earth's surface. Soil is the thin material on the earth's surface in which plants have their roots, and it is made up of many things. Just I told you what are that. These are such as withered rocks and decayed plants and animal matter. Decayed plants and animal matter are organic materials. Okay, soil is formed over a long period of time. Just I told you, it can take 1,000 years or more. Okay, so students, this is the thing how soil is formed. This is soil formation. Okay, so the class ends here. Read the chapter up to this, then we will do more thing. I will explain you tomorrow the types of soils. The class ends here. Goodbye.